ちは。元気ですか？今日は Today, let's learn the Japanese particle o. At first, let's talk about what does o do. O marks the object of an action. So we use o to show what the action is happening to. So o comes right after the object in the sentence. Let's look at the example sentence here. 私はご飯を食べます。That means I eat rice. And 私 is the subject. ご飯, which is rice, is the object here. We mark it with o, then verb following. And this verb is always transitive verb, which is action by someone. Let's look at another example. テレビを見ます which is she watches TV. テレビを見ます and テレビ is the object. The particle o shows that she is watching TV. Let's take a look at one more example. 私は本を読みます That means I read a book. And 本 is the object here, which is book. The particle o explains what I am reading. Mini quiz. Which one is marked with o in this sentence? 日本語を勉強します。A. 日本語 which is Japanese language. B. 勉強します which is study. The answer is A. 日本語 the things you are studying. Let's summarize what we did in this video. O is direct object maker, comes after the object and before the verb. Example, ご飯を食べます。テレビを見る。本を読む。So use o to mark the object in the sentence what the action is happened to. Also, the verb should be transitive verb, which is action by person. That's all for today. Hope you get something taken home. If you like this video, please click the good button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. またね